Hello everyone and welcome to Yoga with me. I'm Lina and today we're having a yoga practice to de-stress. This is a really good practice to melt any stress and tension that has built up. So hop on the mat and we'll get started. So let's close our eyes. Take a nice deep breath in. As you breathe out, allow your shoulders to drop. Breathe in again. Allow your breath to flow all the way to your belly, making your breath deeper. And as you breathe out, just feel your whole body just relaxing. One more deep breath in. And as you breathe out, just feel the tension or any stress just floating away as you breathe out. And as you're present in this moment and you're focusing on this present moment, become aware of what you're thinking. If you're feeling distracted, maybe you're thinking, I can't do this. Or just for now, just let go of anything that's no longer serving you. Let it float away like clouds on a sunny day. And just become present to this moment because it's the only moment we have. And then gently open your eyes. Now we're going to do a stretch where we're going to breathe and we're going to move our spine upwards. So like this, breathing in and stretching up, breathing out, curving your spine. Breathing in, looking up. Breathing out, curving your spine. One more time, breathing in, looking up. Breathing out, curving your spine. And then coming to the center. And we're going to do a stretching on the side. So breathing in and stretching up, pushing your tailbone down. And then coming over to one side, feeling a beautiful stretch on the opposite direction that you're moving, and then coming to the center, stretching up, maybe looking at your hands in the sky, push your tailbone down, and then let's go over to the other side, and then coming to the center. And then bringing your hands out like this, are called cactus arms, and just feeling your heart, your chest just opening up, just breathing deeply, and then coming to center, relaxing your arms. Now we're going to stretch up, pushing your tailbone down, and we're just going to come forward. Now you might just be here, just feeling a gentle stretch. You might be able to come forward like this. You might be able to come forward all the way down and do whatever feels comfortable. And breathe. And then coming up slowly. And coming to the center. Take a deep breath. And then coming onto all fours. It's called tabletop. And then just moving your hips from side to side. And then maybe doing circles. And then the other way. And then just coming back, stretching your arms out, just feeling a lovely stretch on your arms and your lower back. And just breathe. Breath is really important. Our bodies need oxygen, right? So we might as well breathe in a way that works effectively nourishing our whole body. So breathe, allow your breath to flow all the way to your belly. And then coming up slowly, taking one foot in front of you. And then you're just going to go back and forward, back and forward. Just feeling a loosening up of the back of your leg, your calves. And then maybe moving from side to side and back and forward, back and forward. And then even just coming back if you can and just feeling a lovely stretch on the back of your leg. And then bringing that leg back. And then taking the other leg back. And then you're going to go forward, back, and forward, back, and forward. Keep going. You might want to go from side to side, back and forward, side to side, back and forward, back and forward. And then just coming back, feeling a lovely stretch on the back of your leg. And then taking that foot back. Again, coming back into child's pose. This time maybe you want your arms to come behind you. Just taking a deep breath in. And breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more deep breath in. And breathing out. And then coming up slowly. Coming back to the seated where we started. And then just using this moment to be centered, to be present to this moment. Feeling all that tension and stress is just released. And you're just allowing yourself to be present to this moment. Breathing out any tension, breathing in some love, breathing out tension, breathing in love. I hope this class helped you to release any tension and de-stress. If you enjoyed the class, share it with somebody who would appreciate it. Subscribe so I can continue making free yoga videos on YouTube. Let me know how you've got on with this class. If you want any different classes, please let me know. And until next time, namaste.